Hi. Hello, I'm Mike Crawley. Welcome to your pathway to success toward the attainment of the goal of Project Management Professional, or PMP, certification. I've been practicing project management for well over 15 years and have been teaching for the same amount of time. I just find it an honor to be able to bring the practical experience into the academia and marry those two worlds towards guiding you to the successful attainment of your certification goals. It's one of the reasons why I partnered with Ismart. Ismart is a professional development, training, and consulting organization who prides themselves on helping professionals reach their certification and educational, informational goals. They do a phenomenal job. So I have no problem in bringing my skills, expertise to the service of the Ismart organization, whose main objective is the service of you. So we welcome the opportunity to help guide you toward your goals of certification success and look forward to the opportunity of working together to get you over that certification threshold in a very timely manner. Get familiar with this book because we're going to know it very, very well as you cross over the PMP certification threshold with Ismart.